Welcome to our overview of dropshipping. At the end of this video, you'll understand what dropshipping is and know when it's okay to do it. We'll also explore the consequences of dropshipping incorrectly. Dropshipping is when a third party fulfills customer orders on your behalf. It's only acceptable when it's clear to the customer that you're the seller of record. If you intend to fulfill orders using a dropshipper, you must have an agreement with your supplier that they'll identify you as the seller on all packing slips, invoices, external packaging, and other information provided in connection with the products. Remove any packing slips, invoices, external packaging, or other information identifying a third-party dropshipper. Be responsible for accepting and processing customer returns, and comply with all other terms of your seller agreement and applicable Amazon policies. Anytime a customer sees packaging, invoices, or receipts identifying a seller that isn't either you or Amazon, it creates confusion about how their order is being fulfilled and whom they should contact with any problems or questions. If you violate our dropshipping policy, your seller-fulfilled offers may be deactivated and your listings may be removed. During this time, you may still accept fulfilled by Amazon or FBA orders. Multiple dropshipping violation will result in a restriction of your abilities to list offers in the Amazon store. To reactivate your offers, you must provide a plan of action that explains the root causes of the policy violations, the actions you've taken to comply with Amazon's dropshipping policy, and the steps you've taken to prevent future violations. We're here to help. You can submit this information by following the instructions in the banner on the top of your Account Health page. Or if you believe there's been an error in receiving a policy violation, submit an appeal on this page too. During the appeal process, we'll often ask for more information to reactivate your offers. If you don't receive this information, your offers will remain inactive. This concludes our overview of dropshipping. Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon store.